My RV comes with a washer in it. Was getting some work done on it. They winterized it for me because they had it for so long. I ran the washer, ended up with water all over the place. Root of the problem was that drain hose. When they winterized it, for some reason, they unplugged the hose from the drain, just left it pouring water right down onto the floor, down onto the carpet, all over the master bedroom, made for a big mess. Simple answer is, don't trust what other people do. Check it yourself. Make sure that whenever someone does something, that you follow through behind them. Plug the hoses where they need to be. Avoid the mess.